Are you looking for the best DAW sander in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best DAW sander that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the PorterCable Polisher. PorterCable 7424XP comes a close second to our first pick. Its powerful 4.5 amp motor generates a breathtaking 2,506,800 OPM, which is strong enough for most sanding or polishing tasks. Well, whether you want to polish your new car or kitchen desktop, this sander is a sure way to get through faster. PorterCable has cut a name for its innovative features when designing power tools. The most notable in this sander is the swirl-free sanding, polishing action with a variable speed dial. We found this innovative feature really awesome because you can alter the OPM depending on the tasks at hand. If you have a lot of sanding tasks, tune to the maximum OPM to complete the task faster. Are you left or right-handed? Well, that will not be a problem with this sander because you can easily move the handle on either side, holding the sander on your dominant hand. You will also realize it is very easy to work with because it is light and compact, weighing only 5.5 pounds. You can polish the entire car or kitchen without getting fatigued. Up next in the 4th place is the Jedu Professional Dual Action Pneumatic Sander. Do you have heavy-duty sanding tasks and have been wondering about the ideal DAW sander to use? The Jedu Professional Air Sander is a lightweight but highly powerful tool that will get the job done in no time. With its optimum speed of 12,000 RPM, this dual-action pneumatic sander is a great option even for tough sanding tasks. When working on tough sanding tasks, Jedu Professional Air Sander designers knew that comfort comes first. This is why they prioritized comfort. The tool is well balanced and comes with additional wrist and hand support for extra comfort. Another cool thing about this sander is that it is designed to last. The frame is constructed with heat-treated steel to guarantee you a longer lifespan. The vibration dampening system, in addition to assisting make the tool comfortable to use, helps to reduce wearing and tearing. The 3rd product on our list is the Ingersoll Rand 311A 6-inch heavy-duty DAW sander. When the name Ingersoll Rand is mentioned, those in the construction and motor vehicle repair niches associate it with quality. In the case of this DAW sander, they did not disappoint. The power tool is a dual-action air-powered sander designed for heavy-duty sanding tasks. The DAW sander comes with a firm construction meant to help you complete sophisticated work fast. Using its powerful pneumatic system, the sander creates swirl-free finishes that make it a perfect option to finish tasks on metal preparation, wood, and body filler. For a heavy-duty sander such as the Ingersoll Rand, one would anticipate getting a lot of vibrations and noise, right? But we found this sander really cool because it is quiet and has very low vibrations. The sander has a built-in silencer that muffles the noise as you sand. Again, it uses a built-in regulator that keeps the vibration low so that sanding tasks are not just easy, but also fun. We also like the compact nature of the sander that makes it easy to carry and use on the construction site, garage, or home. Besides, it also weighs only 4.2 pounds and has a lever throttle that takes the pressure of your palm to reduce wrist fatigue. Second on our list is the Hutchins 4506-inch DAW Super Sander. The Hutchins 4500 is a professionally designed DAW sander that does not skimp on quality. We found this pneumatic sander very effective, especially when working on tough and extensive sanding tasks. The main selling point of this DAW sander is its oversized drive head that serves 2 purposes. 1. It eliminates pad wobbles when working on full-contact sanding tasks. 2. The wide head allows you to use bigger pads so that you can sand a bigger area faster. The sander comes with a custom handle that provides efficient control of the tool, no matter the sanding angle. Besides, the flex cover offers a comfortable grip so that your wrist does not suffer fatigue when sanding. To help you get professionally smooth finishes, Hutchins 4500 also comes with an effective vibration dampening system. We found the dampening system very effective in reducing fatigue when using the sander for extended periods. Finally, the top product on our list is the TCP Global Brand 6-inch dual-action DAW Palm Sander. This is another heavy-duty DAW sander for the professional or DIY person who does not want to spend too much. The 6-inch tool is powered by air and delivers a maximum of 90 psi of performance, tough enough to complete even the most demanding sanding tasks. With this power tool, TCP wanted to guarantee 2 things: high performance and durability. They did not disappoint. The sander is designed using heat-treated steel to guarantee a longer lifespan. Further, it features heavy-duty bearing that dampens the vibrations to reduce tearing and wear and make the tool comfortable to use. This DAW sander comes with an awesome ergonomic design that makes it possible to work for many hours without getting fatigued. The built-in regulator and vibration dampening system helps you to operate without getting any fatigue. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.